Okay, let's see if the little Cub Cadet will start. I had to pump up both rears a little bit. They were a little bit on the soft side. It probably would have made it home, but since I had it here, I might as well. It's got fuel. It should have oil. Yeah, it's there. Doesn't smell gassy. It does look a little bit over, but who cares? This one doesn't charge, so gotta be kind of careful. Okay, it will run, so we'll get running again and get her on out of here. I'll talk to them later. Please keep redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.